Ang kilos ng China nagbabago raw tuwing may joint drills na ikinakasa sa West Philippine Sea. Para sa iba pang detalye, Brigada Kath Austria, ibrigada mo!
Brigada! Live report!
Kapansin-pansin umano ang pagbabago sa kilos ng Chinese forces sa tuwing may sinasagawang multilateral cooperative activities o joint drills kasama ang mga kaalyadong bansa ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea. Ayon sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, nababawasan daw ang coercive at aggressive behavior ng China tuwing may presensya ng foreign warships at aircraft sa karagatang sakop ng bansa.
On the side of the armed forces, we have noticed a change in their actions each time there is a multilateral cooperative activity in the West Philippine Sea, in Baho de Masinloc, even the northern islands. There's a slight change in their actions, not a change yet in their behavior, but the presence of foreign warships and aircraft, foreign forces, forces a change or results to a slight change in their actions. We notice that there are no coercive and aggressive actions each time there are foreign warships in our maritime domain.
Kasabay nito, binigyang diin ni Trinidad na ang kasulukuyang direksyon ng Department of National Defense at AFP ay nakatuon sa defense diplomacy at pagpapalakas ng strategic partnership sa mga kaalyado nitong bansa.
The MCAs, the direction of the Department of Defense is defense diplomacy, and the results are there. We now have 5 strategic partnerships with other countries, 5 countries. We have elevated our defense relationship.
Mula November 2023, nakapagdala ng AFP ng 12 multilateral cooperative activities at 9 na maritime cooperative activities, bukod pa sa pagtatatag ng 5 strategic partnerships at defense cooperation sa mga bansang katuwang ng Pilipinas tulad ng Japan, India, Australia, New Zealand, South Korea, Vietnam, Canada, United Kingdom, France at Italy. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Kath Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News sa Manila, The Music and News Authority.